Buckle up for life. Car seat pinch test. Step 1. Make sure your car seat is properly installed, using both the car and car seat manuals for guidance. Buckle your child into the seat and tighten the harness. Step 2. Position the chest clip at armpit level. Step 3. Using your fingers, try to pinch the webbing on the belt straps. If there is no excess webbing, then the strap is snug. If you can pinch excess webbing, then the harness is too loose. Tighten straps. To learn more about the pinch test, visit buckleupforlife.org.